YouTube. And today I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY hand sanitizer. Because of the coronavirus, people have been buying all the hand sanitizer at all the stores. So, therefore, I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Our first ingredient is alcohol. It at least has to be 60% alcohol. Next, we have our aloe vera gel, which puts the moisturizer in your hands. Next, we have our last ingredient, which is our essential oil. Today, we will be using our eucalyptus oil that puts the scent into your DIY hand sanitizer. So, we are going ahead to do the ingredients. It only takes 2/3 of alcohol to put inside your bowl. So, open this alcohol up. 2/3 of it in here. Next, we are going to put our aloe vera gel. It takes 1/3 of aloe vera gel. Go ahead and put that. Then we're going to put our essence oil to get that strong scent in your sanitizer. So, I'll take 2 drops. Just 2 drops. Now we are going to stir it up. Going to take this and put it in here. Then we're going to pour our DIY hand sanitizer in here. So, we're going to screw on our tap. Something is missing. Hold on. Like that. Control B. Print. Now let's go get paper. Now all of that. Just cut. We have the little wheel, does it all. The little wheel does it all, hand sanitizer. Now, has a really good scent to it. I also like to give a big shout out to Natalie bell. And give this video a big thumbs up and comment down when you are done in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Lil Will Does It All. Peace, guys.